How to freeze your OKX account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to freeze your OKX account safely and quickly, perfect for beginners who wants to secure their crypto during a break. First of all, open the OKX application on your smartphone and log into your account. You can also do this on a web browser. Either way, once logged in, tap on the menu button at the top left corner, and now from the expanded menu, tap on your username at the top. You'll end up in the User Center page where you need to click on Security and scroll all the way down. Under Account Management, tap Freeze Account. After you select Freeze Account, OKX will ask you to verify your identity. Follow the prompts carefully, confirm that you want to freeze your account, and after you do that, you'll be able to get your account frozen. Freezing your account is also sometimes called temporarily locking account. Once your account is frozen, you won't be able to trade or withdraw funds until you unfreeze it. Don't worry, your assets are completely safe during this period. And that's it. Freezing your OKX account is really simple, and now you can relax knowing your crypto is safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips and tutorials. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.